All right, we're looking at video 6, helpful tips and tricks on breakout rooms. It's helpful to have a list of your rooms ready, written and available to copy into the chat. So these actually are both the same room because I'm just doing this for a demo. So you just copy it, highlight it, right-click, copy, paste it into your chat on your Google Meet. It's also helpful to have a cheat sheet for yourself to make it easy to know where your rooms are located. To keep this handy, you may want to add it to Google Keep, which is right over here, a little light bulb. So you can see stuff pops up in there. I'm going to hide that. I don't want to give away all my files. So that's accessible in your sidebar on Docs, Slides, Sheets, Mail, and Calendar. Also, if you're unaware, Calendar and Tasks are in those tabs as well on all of those Google tools. On your cheat sheet, it doesn't hurt to include the Meet nicknames. If you use a dummy Google Classroom option, these are gibberish. So like for my thing here, my nickname is going to be Beck26 Oazu. So it's gibberish, but it's consistent gibberish. To view your Meet's nickname, you can open the chat and it'll be up at the top. So if I joined this right now, the Meet nickname is here at the top of the chat. Boom, right here. It's also down here in this corner, which is covered up. Unfortunately, it is not the name of your tab. That's something else. And then I would keep the tabs in the order of your cheat sheet. So like, for example, for me with that hotel concept, I have front desk, conference room, lobby, and then private room, guest room. So I just put them in that order on my tabs at the top of the screen. Those are just kind of some tips and tricks that I have for you. Video 7 covers a couple of possible FAQs. And of course, if you have any other questions, please feel free to send them out. Send me feedback. I do appreciate it. Thanks so much. See you in video 7.